What is up, guys? Welcome back to another LEGO Ideas of the Week. This week we're featuring the LEGO Parrot. So this comes from the original LEGO Pirates theme. So this is basically a giant version of what you found in the original sets. So I think this is a really cool LEGO Ideas set. So this comes with 450 pieces and the size is 24 by 10 by 8. So if you guys like this LEGO project, definitely go check it out on the LEGO Ideas website, and be sure to subscribe to BrickUltra because we have weekly content, and check out the BrickUltra.com for your latest LEGO news. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.